Gold just flipped the market. This is not a rally. This is a short squeeze explosion. DXY collapsing to 98.9. US 10Y dumping to 4.25%. Oil crashed to $97. Stocks ATH, but unstable. This is full risk-off rotation. Gold didn't just go up, it V-shaped from $4,615 to $4,800 and just reclaimed AVWAP high, $4,788, major breakout zones, $4,750. This confirms smart money forced to cover shorts. From your open interest, calls building aggressively 4,800 to 4,900. Puts trapped below 4,700. Translation: market positioning equals upside pressure. But heavy resistance sitting at 4,800 to $4,815. Here's the battlefield. Break and hold above $4,112, liquidity sweep to $4,850 fast. Fail at $4,800, liquidity trap to flush back to $4,770 to $4,765. And if panic hits, back to $4,710. Order flow shows aggressive buyers $4,775 to $4,785, but divergence forming, overbought, meaning momentum strong, but late buyers at risk. No emotions, two plays only. Continuation play, hold above $4,788, target $4,850. Trap play, reject $4,800, short to $4,770 to $4,710. This is not trend trading. This is liquidity war. Either you ride the squeeze or you get trapped at the top.